Mamelodi Sundowns 1, AS FAR 0. CAF Champions League final first leg. Football is a game of opinions. This is We Talk Football, isn't it? What's your opinion?
Ngicala nje ukuthi ngisho ukuthi ngobani bafana ababhekazi uphume Jimiston. Mina ngithanda ipeace before sekhuluma ngegame. Let us ama supporters sala abantu baseMorocco. It's not good for us because abona bashana amaphoyisa. I don't know why, because us we are play for peace. So they must play peace, but they don't fully peace. I don't know why. But according to the game beyinhle. Yes, ascoranga makufuna 2 goals 3 goals. But if you score over 2 goals 3 goals, at least can be safe. But asithembe ngoba sibabonile abafana bazamile bashama pali, so ba defender, so but mina ngithemba ukuthi sobuya nesitwa sebusuku.
Mhlambe ke ngomlenze wesibili ubona ukuthi yini kufanele yenze
Sundowns fanele senze sure ukuthi mayifika ngale abadlale serious, i-defensive yabo i-right, but fanele benze sure ukuthi ama-back pass bangabadlali because igcina yasipanish. You need to play 100% football. Bathatha institution emipiano siyadlalile emuva dlalile phambili ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi uthole goal esi-2. And then bengicela ukuthi maybe ifike you need to score before bona bazokora thina score kuqala sibafake emakhazeni yabona babe under pressure. Bathe labantu i-Sundowns solithethe ibhola ibeke phansi. It's a simple thing. Laba hede laba no-board phezulu angeke asebenzele bathe laba bantu laba. Yes, uphosana.
Siyabonga mfowethu. We Talk Football.